President Trump praised Pakistan's Prime Minister and Field Marshal for their leadership. What impact could this endorsement have on Pakistan's regional diplomacy and influence in the peace efforts?
It gives huge boost to Pakistan's diplomacy, Pakistan's positioning, and Trump genuinely like Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and Field Marshal Asim Munir. There is no doubt about that. He likes tough people. He likes the decisive people. He likes the people who can make decisions in crucial times and know the art of navigation in the turbulent waters. So he genuinely liked them, and he that's why he never forget to mention them, and he always praises them. And of course it gives us a huge boost. It gives us a big edge in the diplomacy, and it also reiterate and it also reinforce our position in the region, and of course to the regional players that we are, that how important we are, and at what place we are sitting. And we are because right now whatever you have, we can have different opinion about the peace board, but this is the only effort which is right now discussing the genocide of the century. So this is a very historic moment in that regard, and sitting on that platform and praising by the chairman of the board of that organization, it means a lot. And I personally believe that he genuinely like Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and Field Marshal Asim Munir.